We live in an era defined by unprecedented digital convenience. From instant communication to automated systems, technology has transformed nearly every aspect of our lives. Yet, this very reliance on digital systems introduces a profound paradox. Alongside immense benefits, the digital age has unveiled new and complex vulnerabilities. Our interconnected world, while efficient, presents a fertile ground for malicious actors. This creates a critical challenge for our most essential services. Our focus today is on cyberattacks targeting critical infrastructure. Specifically, we will examine the threats to our power systems and water systems. These are the lifelines of modern society. The potential for devastating consequences from such attacks is immense. A successful breach could disrupt daily life on a massive scale. It could impact public health, economic stability, and national security. Our society's increasing reliance on digital technologies for operation and control is undeniable. Power grids, water treatment plants, and even transportation networks now depend heavily on complex digital systems. This digital integration allows for greater efficiency and remote management. However, this very reliance creates a prime target for hackers. The more interconnected and digitally controlled these systems become, the more entry points exist for cyber adversaries. They seek to exploit any weakness. Critical systems often possess inherent weaknesses that make them susceptible. Many are built upon aging infrastructure, designed long before modern cyber threats emerged. These older systems were not conceived with today's sophisticated attacks in mind. Consequently, they often lack adequate security measures. Retrofitting robust defenses onto legacy systems presents significant technical and financial challenges. This leaves them vulnerable to exploitation. This is not a hypothetical threat. Real-world examples already exist. Hackers have already targeted power and water systems across the globe. These incidents serve as stark warnings. Such attacks have caused disruptions, ranging from minor outages to significant operational challenges. These events raise serious concerns about the resilience of our essential services. They highlight the urgent need for enhanced protection. The range of attack types is broad and constantly evolving. They can be as simple as denial of service attacks, overwhelming systems with traffic to shut them down. More sophisticated intrusions involve gaining deep access to control systems. The potential for widespread damage and catastrophic consequences is very real. Attacks can lead to shutting down operations, manipulating system controls, or even causing physical damage. This could result in widespread blackouts, leaving communities without power. For water systems, a cyber attack could lead to contaminated water supplies, posing severe public health risks. It could also disrupt the flow of clean water, impacting sanitation and daily life. The ripple effects would be profound. Securing critical infrastructure presents unique and formidable challenges. A primary concern is the aging infrastructure itself. Many operational technologies were designed decades ago. This older infrastructure often lacks modern security features. It was built for reliability and longevity, not for defending against advanced cyber threats. This makes it difficult to retrofit with robust defenses without extensive and costly overhauls. The sheer complexity of these systems further complicates security efforts. They involve intricate networks of hardware, software, and operational protocols. Understanding and securing every component requires specialized expertise. There is also a significant skills gap in cybersecurity implementation. The specialized skills required for operating and securing these unique industrial control systems are in high demand. This shortage hinders the effective implementation of robust cybersecurity measures. Finding and retaining professionals with expertise in both operational technology and cybersecurity is a global challenge. This gap leaves many critical systems underdefended. It creates an ongoing vulnerability that adversaries can exploit. Improving the resilience of our critical infrastructure requires a concerted effort. Governments and organizations play a crucial role in leading this charge. They must prioritize cybersecurity as a national imperative. Key investment areas include comprehensive cybersecurity training for personnel. Equipping staff with the knowledge to identify and respond to threats is vital. This includes both IT and operational technology teams. Developing and implementing robust security protocols is equally essential. These protocols must be regularly updated to counter evolving threats. They need to cover everything from network segmentation to incident response plans. Fostering collaboration between public and private sectors is paramount. Critical infrastructure is often owned and operated by private entities, but its security is a public good. Sharing threat intelligence and best practices is crucial. This collaboration can facilitate joint exercises and information sharing. It helps create a unified front against cyber adversaries. It also ensures a coordinated response in the event of an attack. The stakes for society are incredibly high. A successful attack on critical infrastructure could have devastating impacts. It could compromise public health, leading to widespread illness or injury. It could cripple economic stability, disrupting supply chains and financial markets. The ripple effects would be felt across industries and communities. This would undermine trust and confidence. Furthermore, such attacks pose a direct threat to national security. Disrupting essential services can create chaos and instability. This could be exploited by hostile state actors or terrorist groups. Securing power and water systems is therefore a matter of national importance. These are not merely utilities, they are foundational pillars of our society. Their uninterrupted operation is non-negotiable. It is crucial for everyone to understand the vulnerabilities and threats we face. We must also be aware of the ongoing efforts to improve security. This collective awareness strengthens our overall resilience. Protecting against the growing cyber threat landscape requires continuous vigilance and adaptation. It demands sustained investment, innovation, and collaboration. Our future depends on our ability to safeguard these vital systems.